Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for October 7th to the 19th. We're here looking at a current satellite picture of Tropical Storm Karen located in the Gulf of Mexico. And if you look at the satellite imagery, it looks like it's still being impacted by strong westerly shear. But even though it's still a tropical storm, and here is the current locations. Sorry, that's the wrong map. Here's the current location at 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Its position is 25.9 north, 90.3 west. Winds 50 miles per hour, gusts to 60. Movement is stationary now. Pressure is 29.59 inches or 1,002 millibars. And this position is 270 miles south-southeast of Morgan City, Louisiana. Now, this is what the models are saying. All the models are pretty well clustered of bringing the system sharply to the northeast and then merging with a frontal boundary moving through the Midwest. And what this will do is cause a large area of rain along the East Coast, especially from the Gulf Coast into to the southeast. And what would depend on the current movement of Karen will be the system over the Great Lakes and the cold front. And this is supposed to happen somewhere near the western South Carolina coast. The GFS is the outlier as it's been consistently too far east and too intense and too fast with Karen. Okay, thereafter, a trough should extend to latitude of Karen to a broad frontal wave laden with tropical moisture. This will result in heavy rain and a risk of organized flash flooding from Georgia into Virginia, the lower mid-Atlantic. And I want to look at the map here. Hold on a second. Oh, I can't bring that up. But anyway, below normal temperatures are forecast for much of the west, and above normal temperatures are forecast for the east. Now we're going to look at the period for October 10th to the 14th. A trough is forecast near Alaska and over the west central states. A ridge is forecast over the northeast and western Atlantic and Alaska for October 10th to the 14th. The deterministic solutions from the GFS and the European are in agreement with their ensembles. The ensemble diagrams show less spread today than they have been in the past. Near to above normal heights are forecast over the eastern U.S., as you can see right here on this map here, and near to below normal heights over in the west. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here, above normal temperatures for this region. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here and below normal precipitation for the northern mid-Atlantic and the northeast. Okay, now we're going to look at the period for October 15th to the 19th, and the ensembles continue the idea of a less amplified pattern for October 15th to the 19th. The ensembles charts indicate a moderate spread for this forecast period. So during this forecast period, I'm still calling for below normal temperatures here, above normal temperatures for most areas in the east. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation from the plains to the west coast. So that is the long-range weather forecast discussion for October 7th to the 19th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.